Hello everyone, welcome back to another insightful tutorial. Today we are going to learn the process of changing the color of your dress using Photoshop. So let's get started. Begin by opening the image you wish to modify. I will guide you through two methods for selecting the area you need to recolor. The first approach involves using the pen tool. Navigate to the toolbar and select the pen tool. From the top menu, opt for the patch option. Start creating a path around the garment. Once completed, right-click and choose the Make Selection option. This will precisely select the desired area. Proceed to the Select menu and then Modify and select Feather. Maintain a feather radius of 3 pixels and confirm by clicking OK. Now duplicate this layer and activate the mask. Invisible the background layer. Navigate to the Image menu and then Adjustments and opt for Desaturate. Ensure the image layer is selected, not the mask. Click on the mask and choose Add Mask to Selection. Next, navigate to the Adjustment layer, select Solid Color and pick your desired hue for the dress. Press OK. Head over to the Layer Blending Mode options and choose Color. There you have it. The color transformation is complete. You can now change the color of any garment effortlessly. Now let's explore the second method using a different image. This time we will utilize the quick selection tool. Do it very carefully. Let me show you. Once again, repeat these steps to achieve the desired color change. Well done! You have successfully learned how to change the color of your dress. For more advanced tutorials, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care.